Hi, this is HVAC Help Desk. I am your personal HVAC professional, Matthew. I'm going to teach you how your air conditioner runs and operates. Today we're going to go over some basics, okay? Basics are, you have two units working together. First off, you have your condenser unit, or your outdoor unit. Secondly, you have your indoor unit, or your air handler. Your air handler is usually found in a garage, attic, or hallway closet. When you're ready to cool your home, you'll come over to the thermostat, click it to cool, and click down and turn it down a couple of degrees. There's usually a 5-minute delay before anything happens. The first thing you will probably notice is that air will begin to suck in at the filter. Filters are very important. We will go over that later. And then once the air goes past the filter, it goes into your return. Once it leaves your return, it enters the evaporator coil. The evaporator coil has refrigerant in it. The refrigerant absorbs the heat from the air passing by it. Once the air passes by the evaporator coil, it enters the air handler fan motor. The fan motor is drawing the air into the squirrel cage and blowing it out into the ductwork, and the ductwork leads to the vents in your home. Now, once the refrigerant has absorbed the heat, it returns to your condenser unit. It enters your compressor. Your compressor actually compresses the refrigerant, causing heat and friction. And then it enters the condenser coils. The condenser coils have air being sucked in by your condenser motor fan. It's sucking the air into the unit and out the top. The reason your compressor compresses the refrigerant is because it needs to be hotter than the outside air. So the air passes by the coils, the air absorbs the heat from the condenser coils, and it blows out the top. If you put your hand over the condenser motor fan, the air will be warmer than the air outside. Another thing about your air handler, your evaporator coil also collects humidity and moisture. The humidity and moisture drip down the evaporator coil into a drip pan. The drip pan has a drain line. The drain line leads outside, and it drips on the ground, usually next to the condenser unit. Your drip line must have a P-trap in it, or just a bow in it. Alright? That is today's video, just getting you familiar with your HVAC system. Thank you for tuning in.